Esty. I'm Guy from Beneficial Environments.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you. I just wanted to ask you, how do you use the beneficial environments EMF protection headset, the
Okay, well,
receptionist headset?
it just so happens I'm wearing it.
Oh, yes.
So here it is. It's got a microphone and a nice comfy earpiece. But what's special about it is that if you want to avoid electromagnetic pollution going into your head from the equipment, this stops it, because this sender device here receives the sound waves from the microphone, but also generates the sound for the headset well away from your head.
Right.
So you do need, obviously, to plug this into an ordinary landline desk set. And so, unfortunately, not all of them are compatible, but this one certainly is, and you can get this everywhere, certainly in the UK. And it's called a BT Converse 2300. This is the version 2 model, and it's completely compatible. So what you do, you just plug the wire from the headset, this one, into a socket here, which has got a headset symbol on it underneath the phone.
Sorry, can you hold it a bit higher, because I can't see?
Oh, okay.
Right.
Yeah, okay, so this is the underneath of the phone. We plug it in there into the where the headset symbol is. Now, if you come to the other side of the phone,
yeah,
it has got a headset button.
Mm-hmm.
So what you do, in order to make a phone call, you just lift the handset off, the thing you'd normally put to your head, and now I can hear the dial tone.
Right.
You dial your number, and then you press the headset button, so the light comes on,
Mm-hmm.
and also you can then adjust the volume.
Okay.
And sometimes if the volume's too high, you can put it down again. But once you've done, that's it. That's all you need to do. And when you finish the phone call, you put that down and you press the button, the headset button, so that it's switched off again.
Oh, simple enough.
Very simple and straightforward. And I'm electrosensitive myself, and I find that if I use the ordinary headset, then the coil in here that goes for old-fashioned hearing aids actually gives me a headache. And so I can use this all day, and also it's got the advantage of this over the head clip, so I can work and type away and all that kind of stuff, and so work really well. So yeah, it works well, but you do need to not only buy this off our website, beneficialenvironments.co.uk, but also to buy from BT or whoever the Converse 2300. To plug it into.
Is that the only type of phone that this works with?
No, there'll be lots of others. It just happens to work with that one. But almost any phone with a headset button on it, it should work for. But I just use this for years, and it's all good. There's one extra thing, and that is we also sell what's called ADSL filters on the website. And either plug one or two of those in where you plug the desk phone into, and that will help cut out any high frequency broadband noise that's on the line. And that's just extra better for any electrosensitives using the device.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you so much for this information. It was very useful.
Yeah, okay. Well, thank you, Esty.